Once you have the Geogebra downloaded or the app that opened on your computer, the first thing that you're going to want to do for this lab is to create a triangle. And so to do that, you want to use the polygon tool, which is here. And you can see, if you click the arrow, you can see different types of polygons that you can create. We want to create a polygon, and to do so, you can just click anywhere, and you'll see that it drags to the next point. Okay, so to create triangle ABC, you just want to make sure to go back to your original point, and you can see the information here, where the points are at. This is the triangle here that'll help you select it, and then you have the segments here as well, which will tell you how long those are. To do the translations, or the transformations, you're going to come over to this box here, and you can see all the different types of transformations that we can do. One of them that you're asked to do is to translate an object by a vector. So we're going to select that. You want to tell it which object you want, which in this case we want our whole triangle. So I'm going to select the triangle by clicking over here at the left. And then I'm going to tell it how I want it to move. And so to do that, I'm going to make a vector with 2 points, which will basically be an arrow telling it where I want it to go to. So let's say that I start here, and I want it to move in this direction. When I click that, you'll see that it creates a second triangle there that you can use to answer your questions with. You can also take this endpoint and move it and see what happens to the second triangle, which is your image, in changing the direction of your vector. Another tool that you're asked to use is the rotation tool. So again, we can go to our transformations and come down to rotate object around a point by an angle. Again, the first thing you want to do is select what you want to rotate. So in this case, we want to rotate the whole triangle. And then we can put our point where we would like it. You can select the angle that you want to use. You can use 45, you can use 60, whichever way, and also the direction. Okay, click OK, and it'll rotate it for you around that particular angle. You can always go back, undo it up here. You can select a new point, you can select a new angle, you can even put your points on the vertices of the triangle and see what impact that has.